is the 4060 I have in this computer worth the $300 I spent on it. I know there's other cards out there that's better price to performance than the 4060, but I got it mainly because I don't even know why I got it, but I'm just gonna give my review on it since I had it for a couple months now. I was first using AMD cards and I never used a NVIDIA card before, but I switched it over to it because I thought I was gonna use DaVinci Resolve to edit my videos, but I'm not using DaVinci Resolve right now. And DaVinci Resolve uses CUDA cores, so it renders videos faster, and also NVIDIA does have better AV1 encoding if you're recording that in OBS and all that stuff. If you're streaming all that stuff, NVIDIA does have the upper hand in that. And NVIDIA also performs better in Fortnite on performance mode. That's just the way Fortnite's built or something, or NVIDIA is built or something. I don't know, this plays better in Fortnite, and Fortnite is my main game. If you're on AMD and play Fortnite, just use DX12, don't use performance mode. It'll run like shit. And I am pairing it with a Ryzen 5600X in it. So I play on a 1080p monitor for both of my monitors, 1080p, and overall every game I play with the GPU, it runs pretty great. Of course it has 8GB VRAM in it because NVIDIA's basically like Apple charging $200 for extra VRAM. NVIDIA also does the CUDA cores and it performs better in ray tracing. So I just wanted to test it out today, and also only the 8GB VRAM limit, I didn't really find it like too limiting. It's only limiting in Last of Us Part 1, I'll show you, where if you try to up the graphics settings all the way to the max, it caps out. So I'll just show you guys today and see if the 4060 is worth the money I paid for it. Of course, you could be smarter and get an AMD card. You can be smarter than me and get an AMD card for probably better performance and less money, or close to the same money. But I'm dumb. I don't know. I pulled the trigger on it, and I'm pretty satisfied with it. It doesn't really matter to me that much, but let's just run some tests right now.
There's stairs over there.
Stay low.
Convoy?
Not yet. They're still securing a couple inmates.
Bet it feels good seeing the guys who escaped last year going back to the raft.
Real good. The raft's an eyesore, but it's secure. As long as the octopus-related flaws have been fixed.
Let's hope. Okay, closing in on you. Be there soon. Should let Mom know I'll be late.
Miles, quizás. Did you get the shopping list?
Hey, V, headed your way. Did I miss the convoy?
Not yet. They're still securing a couple inmates.
Bet it feels good seeing the guys who escaped last year going back to the raft.
Real good. The raft's an eyesore, but it's secure. As long as the octopus-related flaws have been fixed.
Let's hope.
the 4060 is not a bad card. If you value ray tracing, DLSS, and all those NVIDIA features like the CUDA cores, AI capabilities and stuff, then I'll say that the 4060 is worth it for $300. It's the cheapest card they can get to get DLSS at this moment, and it's pretty good. And every game I ran on it, it ran great. Fortnite, the many games like Spiderman and God of War. I play God of War, but on the 4060, but I got bored of it, so I didn't record any videos of that. And Last of Us, it ran great, as you can tell. And overall, I think for $300, it's a great card. Of course, you can get other AMD alternatives, but you won't get the ray tracing. If you don't care about ray tracing, then go for AMD, of course. And if you care about the CUDA cores, if you're like a production worker or whatever, that you work in like videos and stuff, that you use DaVinci Resolve, then yeah, definitely go for NVIDIA and stuff. And if you're more like a studio person, yeah, you go for NVIDIA. And if you're like purely gaming focused, and you just want like the raw performance to price performance, definitely go AMD, because AMD has that covered. But if you're just going for ray tracing, DLSS, and all that NVIDIA stuff, then yeah, go get the 4060. If you're like cheap like me, I'm cheap as hell, I got the 4060. So if you're looking to go for an NVIDIA card on a budget, then 4060 is a good card. Everyone says that it's a really bad card for price to performance because, of course, it's NVIDIA. They're greedy as shit, so they purposely like nerf the card, and then they charge a whole bunch for it. But I guess you can call me a dumbass for falling into it. But from what I do with gaming and production stuff, I don't really need a better graphics card than what the 4060 is offering to me right now. My PC is great. As you can see in Fortnite, it runs above 240 frames, and my monitor is 240 hertz. So I think for my use case, it's perfect, and it's great for rendering videos if I ever need to. And OBS AV1 recording is also great. So all those videos that you saw me capture on the benchmarks was from the NVIDIA AV1 recording, which is really great, and it's better than the AMD's and Intel's AV1 encoding right now. So if you value all those things, like you're a streamer, you value like encoding, then go for NVIDIA. Yeah, that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching.